right, continuing on 275, numbers 6 through 14. What you're going to do here, it says to underline the preposition that makes sense in each sentence. Now, they're going to give you two options. Both of the two options in parentheses are prepositions, for sure. But one is going to make more sense than the other. Like, for example, up here, if I said, we live for the Spirit. If I put for in there, because for is a preposition. But if I put for in there, it really doesn't make a whole lot of sense. But if I say by the preposition with him, then that's going to make more sense. So prepositions do have a little bit of meaning to them. If I say something is near it, it's not the same as going under it. They have a meaning. So that's what you're going to be looking for in numbers 6 through 14. Which of the prepositional choices would make more sense for the sentence? Like, for example, number 6. I read a story about or across lighthouses. Well, if I say across lighthouses, that doesn't make any sense, even though across is a preposition. But if I say I read a story about lighthouses, that makes sense. So you go ahead and do 7 through 14, give you a couple of minutes, and then we'll finish up here today. If you're done, stand up, pop in place. If you're not, keep working. Are you almost done? Give me a thumbs up when you're done. Let's see it. Let's see it. All right. I think we can go. Go ahead. Number 7. The keeper and his family lived, would they be beneath the lighthouse or against the lighthouse? You don't live against something. It's like leaning on it. But if they could live beside it in a house or in a cottage or something like that. So in number 7, beside makes a whole lot more sense. In number 8, a severe storm beat the waves against or with the lighthouse. Obviously, it's going to be against. Pushing on it, pushing on it, pushing on it. Number 9, at the top, not after the top. Number 10, he guided ship safely to the shore, not before the shore, obviously. Number 10, to the shore, sorry. Number 11, of a sinking ship. 12, down the stairs. 13, across the choppy waves. 14, with ropes. So you see, the pattern is always going to be the same. You're going to have a preposition at the beginning. You're going to have an object of the preposition, which is a noun, at the end of the phrase. Okay, now let me have you do one more thing before we finish up. In your textbook, look all the way to the back. You will find what they call a grammar handbook. It's over on 343. Find that? Got it, got it, got it. And then look over a couple of pages to page 348. Now my class, I've already dog-eared this, but if you haven't done it, I want you to take that 348 and dog-ear it down. Just go ahead and take it, fold it down like a little puppy's ear. That's why it's called dog-eared. These are even more, a little bit larger list of common prepositions. Make sure that you kind of keep looking at that so that when you see them, you can be familiar with them. You don't have to memorize them, but be very, very familiar with them. Okay, I think that's all we have for today. Hope that you have a great evening, and I'll see you back tomorrow for the next lesson. What you are going to do is 276, going to be more of the same. Okay, bless you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.